In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Caliber key fob. This key fob was used between 2007 to 2012, and inside we will find one CR2032 battery. It's really easy to change the battery yourself at home. You don't need to pay anyone to do it. Just get yourself one of these batteries. If you'd like to pick one up online, I have left a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Okay, first step is to look to the bottom left of the key and find this indentation, this little slot we're going to use to open up the key fob. Insert a flathead screwdriver into that area and gently twist. And as you can see, we have started to open up the device. Now just work your way down through that opening, twisting and twisting until you can pull the two halves apart easily with your fingers. Now remove the rubber part and set that to the side. And there we go, we have access to the battery. Going to take my flathead screwdriver and just gently get under it and lift, and the battery will pop out. You can see CR2032. I'm going to take a brand new one, make sure this positive side goes face down like that, position it in, click it, and all we have to do now is carefully reposition that rubber part, put the face of the key back on, and click it all together. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like or leave a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries of any of your key fobs, check out the rest of the videos on this YouTube channel or visit us at fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.